Hey tubers, this is one I just picked up not long ago. He said it just wouldn't run anymore. It's got some interesting things on it other than needing a bath. No air filter. It smells a little bit like gas. So this dirty and no air filter, people. I hope the rings are okay. Going around to the side, got some redneck fixes here. It means apparently it ouch, it broke off, and they put some mechanics wire in, which is, well, I just hurt myself on it. So anyway, and if you look back here on this kill wire, cable's not locked up, but this thing is. I don't know if you can see it. It's bent. It should be straight down, so it's not getting enough tension on the kill mechanism. So it's probably not getting spark, and that's probably why it's not running. But let's go look at this and get more in here. Let's see. Yeah, that may be functional. It's not. I'm still gonna bend it. Some bendage, so to speak. I bent this back straight. It was all bent in. I don't know why. This glued up the cable, and you saw me bend that down there. This may get spark now. I don't know. I'm just gonna go. Give it a little bit, kind of give it a bath, just a quick bath, just to hose it off with the power washer. Cleaned it off. I took off the air hat and was cleaning around here, and I primed it a few times. There is something that resembles gas in there. So let's see if that bendage, that's a new word, will fix the problem, and it'll run. That'll be super for me. I'll glue that back on. And then this the oil needs to be changed. The underside was actually cleaner than the top. Go figure. Anyway, let's go see if this runs. Here we go. This probably will smoke, but let's see if that bendage fixes this. Feels like it has compression. Just doesn't want to run, even on carb spray. So, or let's put some carb spray. What I had was brake clean. Let's go see if we have spark, and then go from there. What I do is put carb spray directly into the cylinder through the spark buckle, and let's see if that makes it run. Now I wonder if the timing's off. Let's go inspect that first. If you got a bad flywheel key, we got to get the shroud off and pull the flywheel nut. You're a nut. No. I'm a nut for doing this. And then we can tell from there. To get this off, we've got I think it's a 3/8 here. Yeah, 3/8 in the 1/3 in the front and 2 in the back to get off the shroud. So wow, that's dirty. So let's well, I might just hit this thing again with the up on top here with the pressure washer and go from there. I'll cover up the air here. Flywheel off. It's a 15/16 socket. On some other engines, it's going to be a 19 millimeter or 3/4. Just, you know, it depends on the manufacturer. So, easiest way to get it off is with an impact. You can do a breaker bar and block the blade with a piece of wood. We're going to inspect the flywheel here. Oh, that came off. There should be a washer there, but it's not. Inspecting the flywheel key. It looks fine. I have no idea why this thing wouldn't kick over. Maybe the coil's bad. We'll check that next. Oh, yeah, I got it all back together, and I took the spark plug out. And then it came out really easy. So when I put it back in, there's no friction between the wire and the head here. So I'm gonna just take my pliers and put those closer together and see how it is. This will be the second one on the row that I've had like this, or second one like this happen. So let me see if I can get you in closer. Here. So just going to take my pliers and crimp this a little bit. Now I've got it better. So let me put this in. See, now it won't come out. So, well, we got it out. Let's verify we have spark. Okay. Just gonna put this anywhere on the block. I have the handlebars pushed back. Let's see. Let me turn the lights off in here. No, I don't see any spark. Let me try another plug. Another plug on it now. This is just I'm running out of used RJ19LM plugs. I've used them all. I only got like 3 or 4 of them left. I don't throw out a plug unless it's bad, and if it's bad, I usually write an XX on it. Yeah, let's try to see if we got any spark here. Yes, we got spark. So that spark plug, let me see, I don't know if you saw that. Look right there. You got spark now. Didn't have that before. So that spark plug is bad. Now that we verified spark, let's see if this thing runs with a new spark plug and made that connection better at the spark plug. So I'll be back out there. 2, 3. It doesn't want to die. I gotta fix the ground, and it's running so low because of a linkage problem. Kicked off. Ran real low, and that was because this spring wasn't attached. It had come out of there's a hole here for it. So now it wasn't getting the throttle response. This isn't an air vane. This is a internal governor. So that should work, but what more troubling is that it didn't want to die. That's going to be something wrong with the kill wire. I'm going to override that with a screwdriver if I get it to run again. Well, that was fun. So, it ran better. So, going to figure out what's wrong with the kill wire. I think I see it's came disconnected or something, or I'll have to grab one from somewhere. So, looking here at the kill wire, which is the wire that comes from the coil. It just needs to get grounded to kill it. And the kill mechanism, it wires into here. As you see, this thing is bent up. Let me see if I can zoom in. This thing is bent up. It should be, because it's supposed to touch this to kill it. That's the part that moves when you push back. As you see, you push back on the handlebars. So I just need to bend this tab down and it should be good. Oh, I bent this and it didn't bend completely right. So I'm gonna need to bend that so that it'll touch this when you release the handlebars. Yeah. Had to bend this, bend that, and then that a little bit. And now, as you see, let me zoom in so you can see it. You see there, and then when I let go of the handlebars, it's touching. That will ground it and shut off the engine. Let's go test now. You have to, all different kinds of things I was trying, and when I had to get to bend this up and I had to bend the top down. Bending this one, I used some vice grips, needle, the small kind, like these, and to get the thing to push down, I had to put back the handlebars and stick a flat out screwdriver, and then like that, you see, flat out screwdriver, and then just tap it with a not a very heavy hammer to bend it down. Let me do it lightly, and then now if you look down there, it touches it now. That will kill it. Let's go test it. Feeling pretty confident about this one. So let me back up. The breather is having issues. There. You see it ran. It's got some sputtering a little bit, but I probably need to clean out the carb or put a new diaphragm in, or maybe there's a little bit of water in it. Well, everything else, you know, you can look at some of my old videos, how to take that carburetor off and change the oil. Just tip it over. So I'll insert that link to that other video. It's the same engine. Here, I got it now. After cleaning out the carburetor, I also found the fuel had water in it and a lot of dirt in it. So after cleaning it all out, putting it all back together, same diaphragm, let's see how it runs now. Runs a lot better. So I just need to put a new air filter in it, put the new rear end on it from a parts mower, and change the oil. Toward the back part to fix. I've got this parts deck. Transmission's bad in it. I already put the engine on something else. I think these are both made by MTD, so this should probably fit on it. Okay, this is done now. What I did to it was I had to change the spark plug. We used one, the one that worked. I changed the oil, put an air filter in because it didn't have one, cleaned the carburetor, and disassembled and cleaned the gas tank. I buffed up the muffler. I painted some of the block, changed the oil. I put a new rear end on it because the other one, the owner had screwed it up, messed it up. And I fixed the brake cable, and the neutral, the safety switch was messed up. I had to bend some stuff. So here's going to be a start in the next clip.